Hey everyone! Today is Wednesday and my package arrived. Yes! It actually came a lot different than I expected it to come. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's not that big. So we're gonna unwrap this baby. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Ugh. I don't know which one to open first because it's from the same person. Should I open the box first or I'll open this one first. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited. Dun, dun, dun. Oh god, it's so tiny. It did not come with a stand, so I had to order the stand separately. Oh my god. Okay. So here is the stand that they recommended on the site. Okay. So that is what you get. The lights, the thingy for the camera probably, and then that's a bendy thing which I guess should go down there. And then you have to order the stand separately. Oh yeah, and the manual, I presume, with like a few screws. And these looks like some light bulbs, but I'm not sure. So let's do that one first, or maybe I should open the stand first. I'm not sure yet. Probably we should start setting this one up. So the manual is pretty simple. I don't have a freaking screwdriver, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't have screwdrivers. And I'm supposed to attach it to here.
2,000 years later.
I think I'm just gonna look for the instructions on YouTube because these don't make sense. Okay, I hope I'm doing this right because there we go. Oh, no spinning required. Oh, just okay. That's one thing. Okay, I guess that's it. And I'm guessing this is a spare. Look at all this mess. All of this mess for that. But it's like so worth it, honestly. I am not even gonna complain. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, open the first one. Okay, that's good. And the second one. Oh, that's actually pretty okay. Like an okay height. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna take it out of here first so I can test and see if it's working. Okay, turning it on in 3, 2, 1. Holy crap, that is bright. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it is pretty dark here. And I'll show you the finished result because I've already filmed it, but I just wanted to show you because I saw that I forgot. So you have this, which is basically for your camera, but you can put it back or in front depending on how you want it to be. And then you have these two, and these are basically for you to put your camera a bit higher, so your camera can go higher or lower. Oh yeah, and the light switch is here all the way in the back. And just like, look at that, look at the difference. This is how I used to film, and this is how I will be filming from now on. Like, it's a huge difference. It's a tremendous difference because now, and the blinds are open, guys. Like, my curtains are open, but as you can see, I have a wall which basically just blocks all the lighting that could possibly come my way. This is the camera with the ring light, and oh my god, it is bright as hell. And I am sure you can see all my imperfections. I tried to fix them, I promise. I'm having a bad hair day, a bad face day. I'm trying to fix it, but I think this is pretty good. Like, if I'm not looking good right now, then there's something wrong with your screen, because I am looking flawless except for the flaws on my face. All in all, I am so happy about this. I have been wanting to buy a ring light because, honey, I only have one window and the sun is barely here because I have a wall blocking my sunlight. So this seemed like a better solution to basically a lot of my problems, all of my filming problems, because now I can film any time of the day. This is what it looks like when I have no lights whatsoever coming into my room. I've closed my curtains, I have turned off all the lights possible in this house, and this is the finished result. And I am so happy with this purchase. Like, honestly, I expected it to be bigger because I thought the bigger it was, the better the quality, but it is so good. If you want, check out their website and maybe you'll find stuff that you want or you need for a cheap price, which is really good. And all in all, I spent let me get back to you. Let me just put you on hold for a second. Ring lights are expensive, and this was the least expensive that I could find. And the ring light and the stand together was 83.89 euros. So not dollars, euros. So dollars will probably be like 85. I don't know if they ship worldwide, but I got it for 83.89. The ring light itself was 64.90. And the stand was 15, and then the shipping was $3.99. I'll put the links down below, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, because I will definitely be posting a lot more now that I have light 24/7. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!